Good morning, students. Today we will study about force. Then, first of all, what is force? Then, what is force? The push or pull on a body. Means what? When we push or pull on a body, then it is said that we are applying force on them. Okay. For example, pulling a table, pushing a stone, pulling a bullock cart, pulling a cart. Pushing a chair. These all are the examples of forces. In all cases we can say that force are applied on them. Now we will study about the effects of forces. What are the effects of forces? Then a force can make a stationary body move or can increase the speed of a moving body. A force can make a stationary body. When a body is in rest position, then a force can move that body, and it can also increase the speed of moving body. When a body is in moving position, then when we apply force on them in the same direction, then it will increase the speed of that moving body. Okay, suppose you are pushing a table in your classroom. What happens to the table? The table starts moving in the direction of the force applied. Okay, thus we can say that a force can set a body from rest to motion. The table was in rest position, but when we have applied the force on that table starts to move. Okay, or example, when we are riding a bicycle and when we will increase the speed of paddling, then what happens? The bicycle moves in a greater speed. Okay, now second effect of force, a force can make a moving body stop. Force can also make a moving body stop when a body in the moving position, and when we apply the force in the opposite direction, then what happens? The body stops. Okay, have you ever seen a fielder in a cricket match? Fielder, what happens? When a batsman hits the ball, then fielder stops the moving ball. Okay, now a force can change the direction of the moving body also. Okay, when a body in the moving position, then when we apply a force on that moving body, it will change the direction of the moving body. Consider a moving cricket ball by hit by batsman. What happens? Bowler throws the ball in the direction of batsman, but batsman hit the ball in any direction. They can change the direction of ball in east, west, north, south. In any direction they can change the direction of the moving ball. The batsman hits the ball and changes the direction of the motion of the ball. You must have watched a soccer match. Each player in the both team tries to bring the ball towards the goal post. Okay, so they changes the direction of the ball. Now last effect of force, that a force can change the shape and size of a body also. Hold a rubber ball in your hand and press it between both your hands. What happens? The rubber ball, what happens? The shape of the ball changes. Okay, or for example, we put a spring in your both hands and you stretch that spring, then it will change the shape of the spring. Okay, and when you will release the spring, then it will come in its original position or original shape. Okay, so these are the effects of forces. Okay, next segment we will study in the next class. Okay, thank you.